Hello guys. My name is Mary and I'm here today to talk about laundry machine cleaner, the absolute truth. There are a lot of questions about laundry machine cleaner, if it works, if it's safe, so I did some research, read reports from other users and decided to record this video to help you clarify these questions. Say goodbye to mold and bacteria in the natural way. The mold loves the moisture. Your washing machine naturally keeps moisture where mold can thrive. Detergent residue is food for germs. Germs love organic materials on their clothes that stick to detergent residues. Bacteria need a place to hide. Your machine has dark cracks and crevices that are the perfect place to live. These bacteria have been associated with outbreaks of serious diseases in hospitals. They keep your clothes from smelling really clean and fresh, so you start using more and more washing powder. This washing machine cleaner is an easy, safe and totally natural way to eliminate these accumulated waste and remaining organic material. It leaves your machine with a fresh, clean and fungus-free smell. It is a non-toxic and 100% natural product. Extend the life of your washing machine by removing harmful detergent sludge. Eliminate foreign odors and smells. The smelliest laundry, the cleanest washing machine. Save money on laundry detergent. Use less detergent to get an even better result. There are several people using the product for many years and loving. They use QuadraSalt Technology cuts trought all the bacteria and mold growing in your machine. Something that I found super interesting is that they encourage conscious consumption, reduse, reause, recycle. Reusable muslin sachet. Once you've used your laundry machine cleaner, you can reuse the sachet in any way around your home. About the warning I made at the beginning of the video, several people are selling the counterfeit product, which makes it not have the expected results. Only on the official website the purchase is safe and with guarantees. And rest assured, because if after buying, if you don't like it, you can ask for a full refund of the amount paid within 90 days. If any questions remain, the official website has the answers to the frequently asked questions to help you. They have a contact phone that runs from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will leave in the description link to the official website with a special offer. Every product to generate results needs to be used in the correct way, the one that is encianda on the official website. I hope you have the expected result like me. Subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.